Hello, my dear English-speaking foreign colleagues. Nikita is again with you, and I have a great announcement for you. As a matter of fact, while making this YouTube channel, I would never ever expect that so many people from all around the world would be so interested in what we are doing. And I'm quite surprised and really grateful for all of your kindness and your warm words about actually our work. And therefore, I have decided to create a separate, brand new English-speaking YouTube channel dedicated to guided surgery. Actually, I have already remade most of the videos in this channel. This is not AI translation. These are absolutely new videos translated by me. And I would be really grateful for you if you would take a look at the comments below the video. Take a look at the description of the video and you will find the link to the new YouTube channel, and you will subscribe there, put your likes, give me and this channel some activity in order to launch it. So, dear doctors, dear colleagues, we will meet each other there. Thanks for attention. Bye bye.